mama says she'll kill me, your papa says he'll screw me all over the kitchen floor. Cause they didn't they know what I want you for? To love you and leave you crying on the floor. Well, you know that's a lie, cause I'd rather die than see you dancing with another guy. So hold on to your britches, your dad'll need stitches if you don't let me through that door. Cause I'm coming through, I'm coming for you. You won't have to live there anymore. I laid my heart, girl, at your feet. Your love like ours, you just can't beat. You won my love, girl, I hope you know. With all my heart, gonna love you so. You burn my lips, set my soul on fire. The way you kiss, fill me with desire. You're one of a kind, girl, I hope you know. If you ever left me, I'd lose control. If you ever left me, I'd lose control. Love is what I know, makes my dreams come true. Nothing else matters except me and you. Your love is what I know, girl, I hope for you. And if you love me too, you'll say I do. If you love me true, you'll say I do. I would suffer death 10,000 times to hold you close till time slips away. I would love you, baby, forever and a day. To give you all I have to give. To give you all I have to give. To give you all I have to give. To let you know you're the reason I live. To hold you in my arms with all my might. I would gladly fight the impossible fight. 'Cause I'm coming through, yeah, I'm coming for you. You won't have to live there